know who are the most lyrical artists in a dancehall. Vybz Kartel. We already know how much artists love to scream out Addy and me daddy. You understand? And the reason behind that is simply because Vybz Kartel already set a trend for himself, pave a way for all kind of artists following in his footsteps. But you see that youth I want to tell you about, him not following a Vybz Kartel footstep. Him a pave a way for himself. And people, I know him, I call himself Vybz Kartel son, you know. And people will hear him talent as a youth. You sound a lot like no. You not sound like. Yo, your lyrics remind me of Vybz Kartel. Because he not sound like Kartel. But the man lyrical capabilities, yo, remind people of Vybz Kartel. Watch ya. I want to introduce the youth too. I'm bring him already, you know. But yo, the more and more I listen to the youth is the more I'm inclined to introduce him to you know. And in today's video, I'm going to dedicate that video to him alone. I'm not put no other topic with it. Him named Prince Saj. I'm going to just give him a listening ear. Please, people. Give him a listening ear because it is well deserving. See? Listen to Prince Saj. I'm so forward.
I'm going to say you more big up all who support me, you know. You don't know, say a Prince Saj represent, you know. You may say no, your whole St. Thomas. Unstoppable TV. Hey, watch ya then. Them try to draw me out, oh yes, them try to test me fate, but never underestimate the talent of an heavyweight. Tiger the Alpha Popcorn St. Thomas, we bust the gate, and now we a go cut the cake, and still we a go celebrate. Why? From war me no run, lyrical warfare now back down. Everybody know me a Kartel son, Prince Saj come to the dancehall kingdom, so me settle on the beat, me and do it, and me flow unique, well neater, you know, so me known to the street, me son of them bad mind, me don't see, but me soon start making millions every week. 10 times 6 with 34-1, and the plutonium in a royal bomb. Yo, don't try me on the royal dan, cause be a killer day in the royal clan. See it me a do it and me close them in the cheap and me girl them enough a dance and to the people do me a walk. Don't have a jeep for the dance, I'll tackle me walk compete. Ready man, ready well firm and steady man a top striker like the Dan Balotelli give me any stage show and you know me wish Shelly a the Prince of Glory and me tell you no already. No, you know Prince Saj a Jenna pagan.
No, one thing alone me have to say to you people. Bad. The artist, bad. What more you do right now is comment in the comment section. Don't be biased, please. Don't be biased. Give to Caesar what is due to Caesar. If the artist bad, just comment in the comment section. Me know why you say nothing else other than bad. See? Comment that for me down in the comment section. Alright? Now people, as me say, the artist always get friends and family and people who just hear him talent to say, youth, you remind me of the legend Vybz Kartel. You remind me with your lyrical flows. You understand? So him himself, he felt inclined, right? To live up to such an honor where people are comparing to the great one Vybz Kartel. You see? So him have to make sure to improve himself. So even me, when I say, yo, Prince Saj, why you refer to Vybz Kartel so much in your rhymes, my boss? This is what Prince Saj responded to me and said.
I say me a Vybz Kartel son. Not intended biologically, but musically Vybz Kartel is my father. People always say how I look like Vybz Kartel and I remind them so much of Vybz Kartel and lyrical contents where in my freestyles them have to wonder if I have some Kartel genes in my DNA. But real fact still, I remember a day after exam me out on the road and I build a little vibes. Not even a little vibes, a big vibes. See even the vibes are forward into play again. But anyways, me a DJ and me a flow bar back a bar, you see it. All of a sudden me just see a humble part the crowd and forward and say, yo, what you did there, brother? Me a tell her Gaza me say no, but you see if Kartel like King I Prince, remember me tell her that. Same time when I'm bridging them jump up and I say, Prince Saj, you see it. And so comes the Prince Saj forward into play, you know, you see me? And when you look upon it and meds it a real talk, cause everyone rate a DJ palm of him versatility and him unique style and flow, you see me? And yeah, him very intellectual and always I bring something outside of the box. And for me, Vybz Kartel is the king of dancehall, cause that day the king and every day him a reign. But remember, Prince Saj now go remain a prince favor, you know. But that's another story me I go leave untold.
No, not only is Vybz Kartel lyrical, no, Vybz Kartel is very intelligent. And with the youth here, you can't hear him intelligence. No. Watch out, man. Me done with this, you know. But before me left me, I gotta ask you, please remember me say, if the youth bad, comment in the comment section. Just the word bad. You understand? I'm want to give him a strength. Share this. Share that video here. Make more people hear Prince Saj. You understand? And if you want to follow him for hear when time him drop more freestyles, go up on Instagram. His name is Prince Saj 19. Follow the youth. You understand what I say? People, watch out, man. Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. And no matter what, don't let nobody stop you. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.